What's up YouTube? Ian Sandusky back here again for Let's Machine. This is going to be a real quick video today, guys. The kind of video that would pretty much be a tweet if this was on Twitter, but it's not, so here we are. This is just a real quick thing to show you. I got these really cheap floodlights off Amazon of all places to put in my mills. From everything I can tell, they're the exact same as the lights that I bought from Haas to put in my lathe. For just ballpark numbers, the one I put in my lathe was a single light and it cost around $300 to buy from Haas. The two that I just put in my VF5 came out to about 40 bucks each. Let's go take a look at them. I'm going to post up the link on Amazon. This is just so you guys can see where to buy them. I highly recommend.
So these are the lights that I found on Amazon. I got them just on Amazon.ca because I am Canadian. Now the one thing, I didn't have to pay shipping on these because I did get them Prime. Excuse me. I find these to be the exact same lights that I got from Haas. They're extremely bright. I've been running them for about 4 months inside my mills. They're waterproof. They're the exact same lights as far as I can tell. Nice bright white LEDs. So this is my VF2. This is my newest mill. I believe it's a 2007, maybe a 2008. I can't remember. But you can see here that these are the original stock lights. Now these are the stock light or the new lights in my VF5. Worlds of difference. Very easy to install. Wire in the exact same spot that my other ones were in. Really can't be happy enough with these here. I'll post the link in the comments below.
So there you have it, guys. Like I said, a real quick one today. Hope this has been helpful. If you have a good source on parts that you find for aftermarket, please post it in the comments below. Obviously, you can save money on a lot of this stuff if you know where to get it, okay? As always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe below if you want to see more videos. You take care.